Hi, my name is Shantanu and I am junior legal associate in Lexis and Company. My today topic is Article 21 of Indian Constitution, Protection of Life and Personal Liberty. Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of his life, personal liberty except according with the procedure established by law. The Article 21 secures two rights, right to life and right to personal liberty. The Government of India Act 1935 provides for the establishment of Article 21 of Indian Constitution. It declares that no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Article 21 comes under the Part 3 of the Indian Constitution and is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed to all the citizens of India. In the article, we shall discuss various rights and liberties are the part of Article 21. Article 21 of India Constitution. Article 21 is a fundamental right as includes Part 3 of Indian Constitution. The right is available to all the citizens as well as non-citizens. Supreme Court has described the right to be the heart of fundamental right. According to the Justice Bhagwati, Article 21 embodies a constitutional value of supreme importance in democratic society. Article 21 secured two rights, the right of life and the right to personal liberty. Article 21 cannot be suspended during the emergency. Meaning and scope of Article 21 of Indian Constitution. The right of Article 21 of Indian Constitution does not mean animal existence or mere act of breathing. It guaranteed the right or dignified life. Some of the rights that are currently included in the ambit of Article 21 includes mentions in Menka Gandhi case. These rights includes many other rights under its circumference like right to life, right to livelihood, right to free environment from pollution and many others. History of judgment related to Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Now let's us look to the historical judgment that binded the scope of Article 21. Karak Singh versus the state of UP. The other right to privacy was included in the Article 21 by the case Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration. In this case, the Supreme Court deemed the fatal handcuff for the convict persons and unconstitutional as it suggests inhuman behavior toward the prisoners. The court related to the clause protection the conviction of the accused person under Article 21. Mohini Jain versus State of Karnataka. The Supreme Court held that the right to life also includes the right to education. Unni Krishna versus State of Andhra Pradesh. In this case, Supreme Court fixed the age for the right to education in a fundamental right and the children for the age of 6 to 14 years. Subhas Kumar versus State of Bihar. Supreme Court includes the right to get pollution-free air in the ambit of right to life. Lakshman Devi versus Attorney General of India. In this case, Supreme Court made the execution of the death sentence of a public place unconstitutional.